crazy puppies. The hidden kitty. Well, there's Gianna. And Gabe fell in his water. He's got a wet butt. Oh my goodness, hi girl. And this one is Georgia. There's Gianna. And who was getting my toes? That would be Genevieve. Hello, Mr. Gordon. Yep, that's Gordon. And I think that's Georgia again. Let's see. Yep, that's Georgia. And Gabe's getting in the laundry basket. And that was, oh, Mr. Gabe. And Gordon. What, Gabe? And Georgia's getting my toes. And Genevieve. This is Jillian. I'll follow Jillian for a minute. That's Gordon there. And that, I believe, is Gabriella. Here, let me see. Yep, that's Gabriella. Oh, she found the ball. Gianna's not too sure right now. Gabriella's getting the monkey. There's Georgia. Hi, Georgia. Okay, this is our first time in this part of the house. We're exploring. There's Gordon again. Where are you? Let me. Yep, that's Gabriella. And there's Gabe getting his tail. Alright, let's see. Who are you? There's Georgia. And then this is Jillian. Mr. Gordon. Hi, Gianna. Here's her tail. There goes the tail. Oh, yes. Hello. Hello. I know I'm more on your level now. I'm more on your level now. Hi, Gabe. Good girl, Gianna. I know you want to, but you're just unsure. There's Gordon. Oh, there's Gianna. Yes, a good girl. Thank you for the kisses. Thank you. Let's see. Georgia. And Gabriella. And Gabe. And Genevieve. You're trapped. Hi, Genevieve. And Gianna. Yeah, what's this do? Jillian knocked him over. Good girl, Gianna. Jillian's on top of him. What is it, Gabe? Who's on the ball? Oh, Gabriella. Gabriella. There's Georgia over there by the couch. And this is Jillian. And Gabriella. And Gabe. What? What, Miss Gianna? Oh my goodness, Gordon, you're a silly boy. Silly boy. Gabriella and Gordon. Gabriella's on the left. Here she comes. There's Gordon. Hi. Now we got Gianna. And Georgia. And Gabe. And Gabriella's over there. And Gordon again. What? Gabe. And Jillian. And there's Gianna. Happy butt starting. Hi, Georgia. And Mr. Gabe's biting me. Genevieve's in here somewhere. Oh, there's Gabriella. I think the cat's coming back. There's Gianna. There's Genevieve. Genevieve and Gabriella. I think you were Gabriella. Yeah. We're in Chloe's basket. Now Gordon's going. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. What was that? Hi, Gordon. Was it a happy puppy? I think that's, yep, that's Gianna. She just took a minute. Gordon. Thank you, Gianna. Get it. Are you going to get it? Hi, Genevieve. Hi. There's Jillian. Georgia. Oh. Who was that? Oh, Miss Gabriella. I'll put you up there. Just say hi. She's like, nope, I'm out of here. What is it, Georgia? Hello, mister. Oh, no, I'm sorry. You're Genevieve. Aren't you? Yep, it's Genevieve. You and Gabe have very similar heads. Hi, Gabriella. There's Gabe, because he's got the wet butt. Eating my toes. And Gordon. Oh, I'm sorry. Gabriella, and Georgia, and Gordon, and Jillian. Oh. Hi, Genevieve. Hello. Hi. Oh. I think it's Gianna. Nope, that's Jillian. Dear Gianna. I'm going to get a... Oh, who's got... Gabriella and Gordon. There, now I'm a spectator. What's that? Hi. What was that? Oh my goodness, what? What? Who are you? That's Jillian. And Georgia. Hi. Hi, Gabriella. Hi, Gordon. Gabe! What? I know! Hi, Genevieve. Hi, Jillian. Yeah, that's Jillian. Hi, Genevieve. Uh-oh.